Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to restore disabled Instagram account. If your Instagram account was disabled, here's how to get it back fast. Instagram disabled account that breaks rules like spam or copyright violation, and first you need to message when you try to log in back. Often explain why your account is disabled. If you think it was a mistake, fill out the Instagram appeal form including your username, Gmail, full name and polite explanation. Sometimes you can restore directly from the app. Tap learn more on the disabled message, then submit appeal and follow the instruction. Restoration can take 1 to 30 days. Don't repeatedly submit form. Create a new account or pay recovery service that keep your explanation honest. Respond to Instagram mail quickly and follow guidelines to avoid future blocks. And that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for future videos like this. Thank you.